Another good thing about aerating your lawn is it will bring the birds out who are into grubs and worms and that sort of thing. If you can see, hold on one second. This robin, obviously a ground feeder, they always come out right after I finish aerating because they love looking for worms and grubs and whatnot. So that's a secondary bonus of aerating your lawn, is the birds get to grab some easy meals. So check out our other videos. We're always posting new stuff. It may be related to motorcycles, cars, hot rods, lawn mowers, stuff around the house, you just never know what we're up to. So check us out, and we'll be seeing you all real soon.